Namaste and welcome to day 27 of Start Now. In today's practice, we will be diving into stillness. I will take you through a guided breathing practice, which is pranayama, and also a little guided meditation. At any point of time in the practice, if you feel you need to take a little bit of adjustment and movement, don't restrict yourself. Take a second, pause, just move your legs, shake it out, and come back to seat. I will also bring you out and in a few times to make you comfortable. But at any point you feel you need a little movement, don't feel restricted. Yes, with that, get into a comfortable seat. Keep your eyes closed. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest. Take 3 inhalation from your nose and exhale from your mouth. Inhale. Open your mouth to exhale. Inhale from the nostril. Open your mouth, exhale. Inhale from your nostril. Open your mouth to exhale. One last time. Keep your eyes closed. Allow yourself to breathe. Join your palms at heart center. Let's chant 3 sounds of Om. Inhale. And simple intention for your practice. Once you're clear with it, gently relax your hands. Get your both palms behind your head and you can open your eyes to watch it. We go dropping the elbows to the right side. Inhale, bringing back up. Elbows to the left. Bring back up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. From here, twist completely to the right. Back center. Completely to the left. Center. Right. Center. Left. Center. Get your hands, both the palms on the right knee. Sink your chest back in like a cat and cow. Keep pulling onto your knee and lean back, keeping the hands straight. And inhale, expand your chest, lift up, keep leaning backwards. Hands are straight. Exhale, round your back again. Inhale, lift up and expand. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift up and expand. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift up and expand. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Turn. Round your back. Inhale, expand. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, expand. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, expand. Exhale, round your back. Last up, inhale, expand. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, center. From here, slowly move your chest right, left, right, and left. Take a second to just open your legs, extend it out, and bring yourself back into seat. That's just to prep yourself for sitting still. Movement brings that stillness within us. Yes? Get your eyes closed. Just notice how you're breathing. We will take Bhastrika, which is inhaling with the palms up, exhaling as you pull down. If you're in your menstruational cycle, if you are not feeling great, if you have high blood pressure, low blood pressure, please skip this practice and just sit with your eyes closed till we move on to the next practice. Okay? Have patience and let's get started. We'll do 20 repetitions. Inhale, arms up. Actively inhale. Actively exhale. Actively inhale. Actively exhale. Actively inhale. Active exhale. Let's go. And relax. Keep your eyes closed and just observe your breath. Observe your body to be as still as you can and observe the fluctuations and movements inside of you. Vibrations, stillness, energy levels. Just bring your awareness towards that. From here, we'll go for round 2. Inhale, take your palms up, open it, and exhale, pull it down. Let's begin. Relax your body, find complete stillness and just stay. We'll block the right nostril from the right thumb. Inhale and exhale just from the left. Inhale from the left. Switch the nostril, exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Switch the nostril, exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Switch nostril, exhale from right. Keep switching only when you exhale. Follow the natural pace of your breath. Relax your hands. Keep your eyes closed, just breathe and observe the stillness in the body. We'll go for Bhramari practice, which is the humming bee sound. In this, you cover your ears with your thumb and fingers will go on your eyes. We're not taking any particular mudra, we're just keeping the all fingers together and just thumb towards the ears and blocking the ears. We chant M sound with your mouth closed. We'll do this 5 times. Let's do this together. Close your ears and then close your eyes. Go for it. Keep your eyes closed, relax your hands, don't move your body, just observe the vibrations. Observe how your body moves as you inhale and exhale. Bring your attention towards your feet. Try to notice what is your feet feeling like. Try to relax your feet. Be aware of the connections that you're making with the feet. You can feel the touch of the clothes on your feet. You can feel the weight of one leg on it. You can feel the touch of the mat. My feet is completely relaxed. From here, bring your awareness towards your hips. Trying to ground your hips to the floor. Letting it surrender all the heaviness out from your body. And relaxing you with every exhalation. Every inhale, I'm welcoming all the good energy from my surrounding. And every exhalation, I'm letting go of everything that do not help or serve me. With every inhalation, I'm going to absorb healing. And with every exhalation, I'm going to let go of stiffness, tiredness, and lethargy. Every inhalation is very welcoming, just like a warm hug. And every exhalation is a feeling of lightness and surrender. Bringing awareness towards your spine and breathing through each and every vertebrae from bottom to the top. Bringing life into it, bringing awareness into it. Inhale in your lower back. Exhale, relax into the lower back. Inhale into your mid back. Exhale, relax into your mid-back. Inhale into your upper back. Exhale, melt yourself into the upper back. Allowing the whole spine to breathe together wholly. Allowing it to relax in a peace. Staying one with yourself, relaxing every face muscles and observing the stillness here. Let's chant 5 times Om sound and let the Om sound vibrate in every cell in your body. Imagine every cell is like a small bell and the chant is making that effect where it's hitting one bell to all the other bells, creating that vibration within and through the body. Let's go for 5 rounds of Om. Inhale. Sit there in stillness and just observe the vibration. Observe that stillness, quietness within you. Slowly lie down on the mat. Without disturbing your body, very gently, keeping that eyes closed. Just surrender to the Mother Earth. Make very soft and gentle adjustments. And once you're done, do not move any further beyond. Relaxing every bit of you. Surrendering to the Mother Earth. Leave you here for your relaxation. I'll meet you tomorrow.